Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First we need to open the menu and we can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through the menu by using the down and up buttons. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option. Oh, my bad. And once you find the system option, you can select it and press the start/stop. And in system, you should see the language option at the first spot. Select it, press the start/stop, and this will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you like to use, select it, and then press the start/stop to apply it. Like this. You can also change the language by using the phone application on the phone if the watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, zoom out a little, so you can see the whole screen, like this. Move this to the side, and let's open the Garmin Connect on the phone. This is the phone that is paired with this watch. In the Garmin Connect, tap on the menu icon, scroll down, select Garmin devices, select your Enduro 2 from the list of devices, and here scroll down, tap on the system, select the language, and then select the language you like to use from the list. You can scroll through it, of course, find the language and tap on it to select it. And the language should be applied automatically. Then you can tap on OK and close the app. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.